Hello guys, so welcome to tonight's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as it drop all over the world. So for now, I'm gonna start with tonight's show. Now, Paul Merson made some worrying statements. Now, Paul Merson said in a few weeks' time, Arsenal will play Sunderland, and this Sunderland team, him feel say they fit cause Arsenal problem. Why? Because they are playing at the Stadium of Lights, where they are very, very strong. Say they have very, very athletic players, they are very pacey, they are very this, they are very that. As I read the report, I just dey laugh. For medicine, you dey forget say we are Arsenal. No other team be like us. Even Crystal Palace wey get the highest SG, they humble. So I no understand where your fear dey come from. Na Sunderland o, no be like na Sunderland baba. Formation names team who will give Arsenal problems during Premier League title race. When you read the entirety of this report, Paul Merson has singled out a different upcoming game which could be very difficult for his former club, and it's one that he initially thought would be a straightforward win. When I saw Arsenal fixtures recently, I thought they had such an easy run of games. The Ghana hero wrote on the Sky Sports column. Now, moving on, you can talk about Granit Xhaka, you get, say, but not be just about Granit Xhaka, say every player that has come in has been exceptional. I don't want to put any unnecessary pressure on them, but they don't have to worry about relegation now after the start. They need another 4 or 5 wins in 29 football matches, and I expect them to do that easy. Arsenal visits the Stadium of Light on November 8th. But first up, they have a Carabao Club Cup clash against Brighton on Wednesday. Yes. So when you read the entirety of the report, you also say Merson dey a bit worried about Sunderland. But the question is, should we really be worried about Sunderland, or should Sunderland be worried about Arsenal? I think that should be the right framing of the question. Sunderland never meet anybody like us. So Paul Merson said about the Sunderland versus Chelsea, say Sunderland won't kill Chelsea. So I said, Baba, which match you watch? Because the match wey me I watch, Sunderland escape for that Chelsea match for Stamford Bridge wey dem luckily win. Luckily, because I watch am. Sunderland just dey balloon ball, their keeper go hold ball, balloon ball, go give Chelsea player. At some point, Granit Xhaka even look the keeper say, wetin dey sup na? Hold ball na, hold ball. Which time be say anybody wey get don balloon the ball, hold ball. So for against us, highest they will play 10 men behind the ball. Because now wetin they play against Chelsea, they play the low block. So I don't understand where Paul Merson angle they come from. But more just to watch. If not from my angle of concern, yeah, I'm just worried, fine. But nobody thought say they will disturb us. But it go hard, yes, but we'll see chop and clean out. Nothing. I don't know whether when I subscribe to the line of thoughts of Paul Merson that these people will cause us problems. Now, away from that, Steve Nicole of the ESPN, a very, very big Liverpool fan, when he talk say he no really see Liverpool improving anytime soon because the manager is clueless. The manager does not know what he will do next. In fact, he say, I'm still going to ask, what can I do that I haven't done? You get? So we ask that question because at this point he's very, very much confused. Now, Sky Sports, when they analyze the Premier League, yes, who go fit stop Arsenal, who go win the league, they go dey talk say if you stop Eliala from Manchester City, you don't stop a lot of their goals. Clinton Morrison believes that other players need to contribute with goals for Manchester City, but insists they are still in the title race. Of course, Man City are in the title race, Liverpool are in the title race, Chelsea are in the title race, Man U are in the title race. Mathematically, they are there. Until it becomes mathematically impossible, or even if it doesn't become mathematically impossible, but realistically impossible, that you are not among. By the time we play this our next 2 games now, Sunderland only give them back by extra 6 points. Then Liverpool come play Aston Villa, come play Man City. I don't see them winning those 2 games. Man City and Liverpool. What if Liverpool come play Man City and Liverpool come beat Man City? You understand? Maybe Liverpool can go lose against Villa, can go beat Man City, or maybe Liverpool can draw both. Like so many things can happen. You get. So our own will say, look, we just dey extend the gap, because who knows, our own bad patch fit come for front. The bad patch might not be injury, it might just be lack of form, a bit of lack of luck. So you dey unlucky. If it still happen, or it go be like Liverpool last season wey be say dem no really get any bad patch, just dey shine dey go. When they can't get bad patch, na 2-0 they don win the league finish, they don calm down again. So maybe na so our own self go be this season. Who knows? So we just observe and see how things unfold at the end of the day. Now, away from that, so Mikel Merino scored a late equalizer against his former club Newcastle. Declan Rice scored a late scored against his old team, West Ham. Eberechi scored against his own old team, Crystal Palace. Now they say all eyes are on Noni Madueke. By the time we Arsenal will play Chelsea again, so we'll see what's going to happen by then. Well, I just try to motivate the guy on social media. But Merson, when they talk against the sea, I don't see anyone stopping Arsenal. They are an efficient machine, but with super footballers in that midfield. In one breath, you say you don't see anybody stopping Arsenal. In another breath, you say you see Sunderland doing causing Arsenal problem. But still one place now. Still one side. You know what you talk. Don't just talk from two sides of your mouth. Now you talk, say you see Sunderland causing Arsenal problem. You praise all their players. I read your reports. In the another side now, you say nobody fit stop Arsenal and machine. Okay, which one won't take now? Which one won't? Don't they confuse? Okay, which one? Hey, for Mercy, what me na? Wetin dey happen? Make you dey calm down na. When I dey screenshot the report, I don't even look say that different contrasting ideas wey just drop for us. But no, yawa, we gather dey. Now, away from that. So after this weekend results, Opta can increase our probabilities rating. You can say we get 66.35 chance of winning the Premier League. Opta, I beg, make it free us, make it free us. No, they too hype us. Just leave us, more day our day. Give Liverpool the probability. Give them with the car. We just free us, I beg. Everybody ask. What's happen? All right, Fabrizio Romano let us say Juventus don't sack their coach. Based on I think they lost against Lazio. The man said just to lose up and down. Yeah, so they don't sack him. So we'll see what's going to happen. It gets well, really concern us, but I think I say inform. I just know. Now TNT Sports Football say Arsenal have played 9 league games with just 3 goals conceded this season. But the record where Arsenal won't break for Chelsea. We say Chelsea won the whole season and they conceded just 15 goals. Before Chelsea conceded 3 goals, now like the 11th game. That was when Chelsea conceded their third. They talk about the 2004-2005 season, Mourinho. Maybe say they pack. I'm already the chairman of packing the bus. Mourinho just come and like this. There's nothing you can do again. Now the Metro is bringing out this report where Michael Richards want to admit say you get one Arsenal player will be say the guy don't bust in brain. No, but just this season, no. So over time, the guy don't bust in brain. Say the guy a machine. Now when you read this fantastic report, we will discover that Michael Richards is talking about Gabriel Magalhães. So the report long small. Let's unpack it. So now Richard admits he wasn't sure about Gabriel Magalhães following his £27 million move to the Emirates Stadium, but has now been won over by a player who has been hailed as one of the best centre backs in the world. Now he was speaking to the Rest is Football podcast. So he called tell them Gary Neville and Marroquin. They say, see, this game, or rather the game Arsenal won over Crystal Palace wasn't a classic, was it? I thought Palace did rather well on the first half, creating a few chances, but Arsenal just snuffed them out and know how to kill a game. They are so good at it. Now, but in a couple of weeks, okay, this report now from that Sunderland report, so I can't go mix them up with here, but my comment, I know I've already analyzed how I finished. Move on. Now, he said, I never quite believed it. Okay, I never quite believed it with Liverpool squad and a transfer window, but now I look at Arsenal, they don't give teams opportunities. They just don't. They look like a well-oiled machine. So Gunners boss, because I said praise the Arsenal, but the thing is, I think it's high time we start giving Gabriel Magalhães his accolades because the guy really, really deserves him. He's doing very, very well. 100. All right, so let's bring you a message from one of our sponsors, the Super Eagles Supporters Club of Nigeria. So they are inviting you to come and join the Supporters Club of Nigeria. You get, so seize the opportunity to follow the Super Eagles. You get, anywhere where then they go. You get, so this particular invitation, I say make una come register to become a member of the Super Eagles Supporters Club of Nigeria. No be say na only local games, so anyway, even international games, you stand the chance of joining them. So if you are interested in joining them, you can contact Mr. Prince Ademola Alawode on 08034215314. The number is at the bottom of the screen. So I was speaking to the president of the Super Eagles Supporters Club, Oga Okumuba. So according to discuss with Baba, so according to ask, what will be the benefits where people will get if they join this thing? They say you go follow them, travel, support the team, and now after you register, quite and say what next? Where people will expect? They say once you register, they will come add you for WhatsApp group. For that WhatsApp group, they will come, they let you know all the activities of the Super Eagles. If na Europe, they go play friendly, you go support them. Anywhere they go, if they available, you go follow them, go support. They will give you all the lowdown for the WhatsApp group. So I say make I say let you know Mr. Vincent Okumagba is the president, and this man with the semiconductor contacts and one of the members gets with in charge. So once you contact him, they will put you through. Also, their social media handle on Facebook, Super Eagles Supporters Club of Nigeria, and they're also on Instagram, Super Eagles Supporters Club of Nigeria. So many contacts Oga Prince. Anyway, they go and many people say don't message Mrs. CHUKS Alpha. Are they interested? Contact Oga Prince. Anyway, they go and still let me know if I get any issues. Now, Chris Whitley could let us know say Victor Pereira gets 2 months ago. The man they talk say these Wolves fans when they complain now, they were singing my praises. When will they win? But sit down, when we say we know they get result again, now they know they sing my praises. It's football. Now they sing my name to sack me. When I read this report, it was very funny. So now they are singing my name to sack me. But 2 months ago, they were singing my name to praise me. You get? That is one thing about this football job. It's all about hiring and firing. You get? That's what it just be. Sadly, you get? Now, away from that. So, former Tottenham Hotspur coach Tim Sherwood, what they talk say Timber is the best fullback in the Premier League. He is so strong. Say the guy did very, very strong offensively, defensively, anyhow way you want him, he will give you. You get? He got the praise and Julian Timber. I was very, very happy. Say, yes, that's my boy. Yes, I was very, very happy. Now, also, away from that, so I want to say Martin Keown for Talk Sports, where Jim Beglin, I be using they call that Jim White. Jim White, they talk say the league is Arsenal's to lose. That's 100% fact. So Martin Keown also say, you don't really like that verbiage, you don't like that language. You can say, don't say the league is Arsenal's to lose, because that is you are putting it in negative connotation. Say it is Arsenal's league to win. You get? So Martin Keown say, was it Liverpool's league title to lose a month ago? No, it wasn't. When you are a champion, you don't think about losing. So it's not theirs to lose. Don't turn it into a negative. They're going to argue just just words usage. So that one they understandable. Now on the next biggest scandal in Turkish football, we're going to hear say there is a probe that has gone into Turkish football, and it has revealed that 371 of the 571 active referees have betting accounts. So they play sport bets. And inside that 371, 152 of them, they gamble actively, like they bet. Like for context, to understand what this thing means. It means a referee feed from your house. Bet say this team player, one of them go collect red card today. And referee go come go for the field of play. Don't look for something. You do 2 tackle, 2 yellow, they give you red card. Referee can do it. Referee can talk say so particular player go collect yellow card today, and for the field of play, referee go make sure say he give that particular player yellow card for him to know how bad it is. This Turkish football, especially when that scandal come outside, when those board of directors when they resign, I think the board of the FA, when they talk say they won't teach Jose Mourinho a lesson, the thing can't leak, they can't resign. On this Turkish league, no. They don't go, they don't come up for this world, they don't go far. I guess. Now we're going to see pictures of Kai Havertz. We don't enter social media, I think don't go viral. So Kai Havertz is close to being back from his injury. The guy they work very, very hard to post that for Instagram. There is a moment from the last couple of months. So the guy they also They try impossible best. But we'll see when he will come back. Now, Gabriel Magalhães is going to talk about celebrating while defending, because people will want that. So they say if you make tackle, we want to celebrate. He said we want to bring the energy to our teammates. I'm a defender, so I want to defend with my heart. When William Saliba does a tackle, we want to celebrate together because the opponent needs to feel that we are here. We did here with you, not the sub. Hey God, this Magalhães is going to say they very, very intimidating. Yeah, I don't really know. Now, it will interest you to know that we spent 27 million buying the Magalhães, and we spent 27 million buying William Saliba. When we first bought them, they were not these finished goods. They were ship packer, you get. They were very, very unrefined, you get. But Magalhães was very, very aggressive. Saliba was not even good enough to come and play for Arsenal. We had to loan him out 3 times before we now brought him back, you get. So it takes somebody with vision to see the potential in the future for us to get this player. Just like how Bertana see the vision, see the future of Mosquera will come go get him. This Mosquera now, given like 2-3 seasons, Mosquera will become a beast. He will become Saliba raised to power 2. Mosquera will they see go good die. So that one said they are just very, very happy for the player. All right, let's bring a message from Mobile Wealth Associates and Co Limited, so they're into construction services, dredging, canalization, real estate, and shop protection works. They're also into mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them, you call them on +234 8064642234, and they're located at number 7 Kenmore Road, or Razi, opposite St. Stephen's Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. So if you're interested in any of their services, please do reach out to them. So my dear Arsenal lovers, the biggest news of the night, I'm referring Paul Merson. They talk saying now Sunderland in the sea, say they will disturb Arsenal, they will cause Arsenal problems. Then another breath, you can say nobody can stop Arsenal. But I'm just see that Sunderland I would really like to play because of Granit Xhaka. I'm gonna get that reunion. We'll see how it will be. Get. All right, my dear Arsenal lovers, I think it's a 5 minutes for us to call the show and so it's like come your way tomorrow morning to give you the morning. So then thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your night. Now good night. I don't like get mouse. All right, guys. Ciao. And I forget, Seth, tomorrow morning I have exam. So tomorrow's morning show will come a bit late. So we're gonna take notes. All right, guys.